Before you decide whether HCSS Plans is right for your construction business, there are 12 key things you should know to make sure you're getting the best fit for your needs. While HCSS Plans is a solid choice for many, it's important to understand where it stands compared to its competitors in the construction management software space. The first thing to know is that HCSS Plans is designed to help construction teams manage blueprints, project documents, and collaboration. It's a cloud-based solution that allows easy access to drawings and documents from anywhere, helping streamline communication. But unlike some competitors, such as Procore, HCSS Plans may not have as wide a range of construction management features built in, so you might need to use other tools to manage things like budgeting or scheduling. Next thing, HCSS Plans has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to upload, view, and mark up plans. This is an advantage over some other platforms, which can feel cluttered and hard to navigate. However, some users have mentioned that it lacks certain advanced features, like full project management capabilities, which could be a downside if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. The third thing you should be aware of is HCSS Plans' focus on mobile use. The mobile app is a great way for on-site workers to access documents and collaborate in real time. While this feature is a huge plus, it's not perfect. Some users have reported that the app can be slow at times and doesn't always sync correctly, especially when dealing with large files or heavy internet traffic. The fourth thing is HCSS Plans' document management capabilities. It allows you to upload and organize documents easily with advanced tools for marking up and annotating plans. But if your team needs deeper project documentation management, you may find the tool lacking compared to competitors like Buildertrend, which offer more robust document control features. The fifth thing is its pricing structure. While it's affordable for smaller teams, the costs can add up for larger projects or teams with multiple users. HCSS Plans offers tiered pricing, but it doesn't offer a free tier or a pay-as-you-go option, which some competitors like CoConstruct provide. So, it's important to weigh the price against the features you need. Next thing, HCSS Plans does offer good integration with other HCSS products. This can be helpful if you're already using HCSS software for other parts of your business. However, if you're using other software like Procore or Buildertrend, integration can be limited, meaning you may face some additional work to get everything working together smoothly. The seventh thing is the customer support. HCSS Plans offers good customer service with a dedicated team to help resolve any issues. That said, some competitors like Procore have larger support teams and more extensive self-help resources, which might be better suited to larger teams with more complex needs. The eighth thing is that HCSS Plans is built primarily for construction professionals. It's not as versatile as some software options that cater to multiple industries. So, if you're looking for software that can handle a wide range of industries, you might want to explore something like Buildertrend or CoConstruct, which offer more flexibility. The ninth thing is HCSS Plans collaboration features. It allows multiple team members to access and mark up the same plan at the same time, which is great for teamwork. However, it lacks some of the more advanced communication features offered by competitors, like messaging and task tracking, that come with platforms like Procore. Next thing is security. HCSS Plans offers strong data encryption, making it a safe option for sensitive construction documents. But if top-notch security is a critical factor for your team, you might find platforms like Procore with additional layers of protection and compliance certifications more attractive. The 11th thing to consider is the learning curve. HCSS Plans is fairly intuitive, but some users report that it takes a little time to get used to. It's not as easy to get started with as other tools like Buildertrend, which offers more onboarding assistance and tutorials for new users. Finally, the 12th thing is the trial period. HCSS Plans does offer a demo and a free trial, which is great for giving it a test run before committing. But if you're looking for a longer trial period or a more flexible commitment, you may prefer software like Buildertrend, which gives you more time